Upgrading your home's windows can completely transform its comfort, efficiency, and appearance. But while choosing the right style, material, and energy-efficient glass is important, one factor determines how well those windows will actually perform: professional installation. For homeowners in Green Cove Springs, where Florida's warm weather, coastal humidity, and occasional storms create unique challenges, professional window installation is essential to ensuring long-lasting results. Here's why working with experts makes all the difference in your window replacement project. Ensuring a perfect fit for maximum efficiency. Windows that don't fit precisely in their openings can cause air leaks, water intrusion, and energy loss. Even small gaps can lead to higher utility bills and reduced comfort indoors. Professional installers take exact measurements of each window opening and custom fit your new windows to ensure an airtight seal. They know how to account for frame irregularities, settling, and local building codes, details that are often overlooked in DIY installations. With properly fitted windows, you'll experience better insulation, reducing strain on your HVAC system. Improved indoor comfort, with no more drafts or hot spots. Lower energy bills, thanks to reduced air leakage and heat transfer. In Green Cove Springs' warm, humid climate, that precision fit also keeps moisture from seeping in, helping prevent mold, wood rot, and frame damage. Protecting your investment with professional expertise. Modern windows are complex systems made up of multiple components, from insulated glass and locking mechanisms to weather stripping and drainage channels. Installing them incorrectly can compromise performance, no matter how high quality the product is. Professional installers understand the manufacturer's specifications and best practices, ensuring every component works exactly as intended. This expertise helps protect your investment by preventing common installation errors like misaligned frames that cause windows to stick or jam, improper sealing that allows water or air leaks, uneven caulking or poor insulation that shortens window lifespan. Because of their training and experience, certified professionals can install windows efficiently and correctly the first time, saving you time, stress, and potential repair costs down the road. Meeting Florida's building and weather standards. Living in Florida means your windows need to do more than just look good. They need to withstand strong winds, heavy rain, and high humidity. Local codes in areas like Green Cove Springs often require windows that meet specific energy efficiency and wind resistance ratings. Professional installers are familiar with these regulations and ensure that your new windows are installed in full compliance with Florida's building codes. Many also specialize in impact-rated and storm-resistant window systems, giving homeowners extra protection and peace of mind during hurricane season. With professional installation, you'll know your home meets safety standards while staying comfortable and efficient year-round. Protecting your warranty. Most window manufacturers require professional installation for their warranties to remain valid. If you install the windows yourself or hire an unqualified contractor, you could inadvertently void the product warranty, leaving you responsible for any future issues. By hiring licensed installers, you ensure that your new windows are covered under both the manufacturer's warranty and the installer's workmanship guarantee. This double protection gives you added confidence in your investment, knowing that any potential defects or performance problems will be handled professionally. Enhancing your home's beauty and functionality. Professional installation doesn't just improve performance, it also enhances your home's appearance. Experts take great care to align frames, seal edges neatly, and ensure a flawless finish that complements your interior and exterior design. Smooth operation is another benefit. Professionally installed windows open, close, and lock effortlessly, adding convenience and long-term reliability. Plus, the improved curb appeal and energy efficiency can boost your home's overall market value, making this project a smart financial investment. Local expertise you can trust. When you choose a local Green Cove Springs window installation professional, you're working with someone who understands the area's unique environment. They know which materials perform best in humid conditions, how to seal windows against salt air, and how to optimize natural light without increasing heat gain. This local knowledge ensures your new windows will look great, perform efficiently, and hold up against Florida's demanding climate for years to come. Final thoughts: the success of any window replacement project depends as much on professional installation as on the quality of the windows themselves. For homeowners in Green Cove Springs, expert installers ensure that every window is precisely fitted, properly sealed, and designed to perform beautifully in Florida's climate. With professional craftsmanship, compliance with local codes, and long-lasting performance, your investment will deliver comfort, beauty, and efficiency you can enjoy every day, no matter how hot or humid it gets outside.